Hey guys, Mr. B here. So today I've got this 92 Honda Civic. It has a bunch of water coming in on the floorboard over here. This whole floor area is soaked. It's actually causing issues with the vehicle's computer, which is like right on the side there. I suspect there's a whole bunch of crud underneath the bottom drain area for water coming down off the windshield. There's a whole bunch of pine needles right here, and I'm sure this has really never been taken apart and cleaned. So now I got the windshield wiper arms off. It looks like there are little screws or clips along all these holes here. Looks like these clips here, you turn them to the side like that, and then the panel lifts up. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of them all along there. And there you have it, folks. That right there is the culprit. All this gunk right here, and dirt and leaves and dead bugs and rat poop or whatever the hell that is. It's clogging this passageway here for the water to flow down and go down by the fender. And so all the water is running down the windshield. It's pooling up in here. It's spilling into that air vent for the blower motor. It's running down the floorboard, filling up the floorboard, evaporating, covering the ECM with moisture, and causing all these issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out that whole channel, get all this cleaned up, make sure it works properly before I'm done, and hopefully that computer airs out so that I don't have to replace it. All right, here's the moment of truth. Kind of exaggerative, but you can see now that water is fully flowing through that channel. Obviously not going down inside the car, flowing down into that area there, so it can go down the back side of that fender. There is actually a TSB out there to reseal the seam that goes along the body, the frame of the vehicle, I should say, behind this fender. That symptom would be if you have water on the inside edge, kind of near that kick panel right next to the computer. So I guess I'm kind of testing that seal at this point too, because all that water is running down through there. Obviously it's no longer running down into the blower motor area, which is nice. So I'm gonna let this run for a little while and then check on the inside of the car and see if there's any signs of more leakage going into the vehicle. Now, here on the interior, I show no signs of leakage. On the side, no signs of any more water up and along there or under that blower motor. So I would say that that problem's now been fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that ECM dry out overnight. I'll reinstall it. I'm gonna let this whole carpet area here dry out and reinstall it once everything's dry and see what happens. All right, here we are. I got this computer plugged back in after it's been airing out by the fan for a while. I'm gonna see what it does. Fuel pump just kicked back on right away. See if it starts. Starts right up.